Back on the map, fuck all the bitches, booty grab. Coming back on the trap, blowing these bootles off the map. I show these little bitches I stay posted up. Man, fuck these motherfuckers that call us a thug. You bitches ain't shit but fucking pussy jits. You wanna fuck around with the baddest fucking bitch. I messed the fucking trigger, keeping it down for the blue. Fuck you, homie, and your motherfucking crew. I keep it true. Unlike other fake ass fools, some punk ass chavalas wanna say that I'm a fake man. Bitch ass niggas, get your fucking shit straight. You better say shit to my face to say you don't wanna fuck around with M&S. Man, fuck these motherfuckers, kill them like chapetes. You hit them with the fuerte, or better yet with the machete. Man, fuck all the bitches arrested, ya bitches are hitting the frente. You don't wanna fuck around with the baddest in the tent. I be spitting shit like motherfucking lyrical assassin rounds. You hit the ground and then bounce back, I say. Then I hit you again with the motherfucking fuerte. Like I said, I'm back once again. I'm showing these little lepers I'm still in the game. You wanna fuck around and take my damn thing, wanna take my damn name while I cock it back, you lames. You bitches don't know what I'm about. I'm all fucking here, y'all little lepers fucking shout. You wanna fuck around with the baddest in the town, A13 PC, what I be. Come and say it to my town, homie. Come and say it to my crew. SM fucking trigger, always gonna keep it true to the blue. That's no fucking lie. You fuck around with me and you take away your life, little bitch. Now you ain't nothing but a snitch. Y'all pussy punch chavalas ain't up and that's no play. Y'all don't rap nada, y'all punk ass chavalas. I hit you with the bala, I hit you with the bala. I come in the bag on the motherfucking track. Don't like what I said, they come back and say. Then I'm coming back again with another fucking track. If you wanna fuck around, I'll blow you off the map. I messed the fucking trigger and I'm saying the truth, man. Fuck all y'all niggas that ain't keeping it true, man. Punk ass chavalas, I done say the same. I fucking trigger and I'm not home, man.